Hi guys! Today we're going to do some art and learn how to make a origami fortune teller. So what we'll need is just some plain piece of paper and some markers or color crayons or a pencil. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a square out of this rectangle. So we're going to take our rectangle and fold it into a triangle. Like so. Then we're going to fold this rectangular piece we have left at the bottom over. And then either you're going to cut this piece off or you can just rip it off. So we're going to take this rectangle off, and then you should be left with a square piece of paper. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make an X with our paper. So we already have one side of the X, and then we'll fold it again to make the other side. Like so. So now when you open your paper up, you've got two X's on your paper. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take each corner and you're going to bring it to the middle of that X. And then fold it. Fold it on this side. This side. And this side. So now we have a square. So one side has our folds and the other side has just like these lines. So we're going to put the side with the folds on the table down, and then we're going to take each corner again and bring it to the middle of our paper. And then fold that and do it for each corner. Perfect. So then you'll have this box with lots of folds, or this side with lots of folds, and then you have this side with just 4 folds. So what we're going to do now is we're going to fold it in half towards you, and then open it up and then fold it in half the other way. And then what you should be able to do is have your paper, put your paper in these little flaps, or put your fingers in these little flaps, and then push the paper together. So you should have a shape like this. And you can move it open and close with your fingers. So yeah, that's how we make the fortune teller. So the next step you would do is you would color these boxes with different colors. So I'm going to do green for one, red for another, purple, and then blue. So it should look like so. And then when you put it in your fingers, it'll have colors on each side. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to open the fortune up, so it's like this. We're going to flip it to this side, and on each tiny triangle, we're going to write a different number. And it does not have to be in order, so I'll write the numbers like 3, 6, 4, 7, 5, 2, 9, and 10. So now we have numbers on each little triangle. And then when you open this up, you can write something in each little triangle here. So you could write like a joke, you could write a fortune that could happen, really anything. And then once you finish with all of that, you'll have a completed fortune teller. And so how you would play is, put your fingers in. Someone will pick a color, so let's say someone picks purple. You spell purple, so P-U-R-P-L-E. Someone will pick a number, so let's say I pick, let's do it this one actually. Let's say so P-U-R-P-L-E. Let's say I pick number 5. You will look at number 5, open it up, and then I have jokes on mine. So the number 5 joke would be, what do you call a cheese that's not yours? Nacho cheese. So that is a fortune teller. Super easy to make, and you can write jokes inside, or you can write different fortunes like you will get rich or you will get a new car, and then you can play with people. Anyways, I hope you guys try this and you guys like it. Bye! Have a nice day.